Today we are going to make traceability and we'll speak slowly because it's time like 3:30 at what says yes, afternoon. Okay, so let's go to code.org. Okay, let's sign in. Okay, I'm going to sign in. Okay, I have signed in. So now we will go to downside, this and this. I will show you what I'm trying to say that. Okay, my projects, sorry. Okay, where it is? Yes, this is this. No, not this. Man, speak slowly. Okay, it's not like that. I will show you. Yeah, this and this. Okay, so dress up. I have not. So where it is? Let's make so you don't need to find cut. Okay, go to this. Okay, go here. Cutting this. Okay, it's the project name is dress up minity. Okay, dress up minity's name like now we will save it. Okay, so I will hide this webcam, sorry, but I will hide this because one by one it is making problems. I need to drag and do like this. Okay, so I need firstly background. Okay, I need a background, so I will take a background of tennis. No, space. Okay, no, it's not looking good. Okay, winter. What mean by winter? Oh, no, it's night. Okay, it should be good. Okay, so now what we need? First, I will see this. I don't know where it is. Car racing, no, not car racings. What's this? Okay, this is our project when I save. Playlist, I will check all the playlist. No, I got a dress up minute. Yes, that is. Please, one. Please. Yes. So this is like the okay. So it will say which event are you attending. I am attending Raksha Bandhan. Raksha Bandhan. Okay. When I submit, it will say wear saris, kurtis for girls and kurta dhotis for boys. How I make? So we want this 4 thing first. Okay, take out this code.org. Okay, we need an actor. We will take another actor as a not a witch, a saucer girl. What saucer girl? Oh, cute. I need a boy. I want a boy. Cute boy. Oh, yes. It's good. Like now, we want to put it here 91 400. Okay. Action. Which should be take over And where it is? Where are you? Where are you? Where it is? It's not now. I will find and say where it is. Okay? Now I am stopping recording. I find. Okay, this is at actions and downside. Move actor 1 to 200 to over 200 down. Okay, this we will take and right here 95 400. Okay, where is it gone? Oh yeah, it's here. Now it should be ask a question and what event are you attending? So it should be at our functions or variables. Yes. I don't. Maths, loops, events, actions. Oh yay! Okay, ask should be what event are you attending? Okay, what event are you attending? It should be questioned and it will store an answer. Okay, we will take it in answer. Now we want a logic. Yes, we want this first block and then we need like this. Yes, we need this. Sorry, but it's like KRUI is saying that after 20 or 25 seconds you need a rest, but I will end break. Okay, so don't be like it should be 10 minutes or okay. So when it will came, I will end that break. Okay, so first answer, we will take this outside. Oh shit. Okay, outside, and we need a variable named answer, and we need this is equal to, we will add 3 of them: casual, formal, or casual, formal, or okay, no 4, so 8, no 3, casual, formal, or birthday. We will take that 3. So first it's our casual. Okay, so what? 1 minute please. It's so noisy. What are the best clothes to wear in casual events? Okay, casual events: put on shirt, skirt, khakis, or dress pant with long sleeve. Okay, go into image. Okay, please watch this. Okay, so we will write this: short khakis or dress pants paired with long or 3/4. Okay, we will take this. Control C These are of girls or boys? No, this, not this. We need this. Okay. So now we need a. Okay. Actor 1 will say. Okay. Actor 1 will say here, here and paste. Oh, short khakis or dress pants paired with a long sleeve. Okay. Now we need for boys. A shirt, khakis or dress pants paired with long sleeve. It's only for girls. Shirt paired with khakis pants. Okay, it's also boys. Okay. Why did I take this? Casual clothes or outing. Please copy, man. I don't want to take that. I don't want what? Control C. Okay. Delete. Control V. Okay. One more time we will have if. Okay. One more time going to logic, variables, answers, this, and writing casual. Now casual. You will take me a question like that. Why one more time casual? That said, some who writes first letter as small letter and some who write first letter as big letter. So they not got any mistake. So I make two. Okay. So some who write the first letter as bigger and some who write small letter as small. Big first letter as small. Are some of them who write like this, and now also we will take this only. Actor 1 will say that Control V. Okay, second should be 5 because I will show you that if I write casual. Okay, I write casual. It should be only for 5 seconds. And but when I take only 1 second, okay, casual. When I write casual in the asking portion at 1 second and it gone. So we will take 5 seconds. And now you can take all. And you can add like Indian events like Diwali, Holi. Okay, Diwali, Holi, Raksha Bandhan. Okay, like this you can add so many. You need this method only. Now what you have to do, take a if, then take this logic and take this second option. Take second option, go to variables and take this answer option and go to games and score. Take this outside and one by one take to one and write its event name. Like here it's your birthday, it's your Raksha Bandhan, Holi, Diwali. So many there are events. So you have to write here, and then you have to write that what should be wear at this event. Okay. So now you understand what I am trying to say from 15 minutes. Okay, so bye all of you. Bye bye. Audio.